Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech, and I know you all guys face a lot of problems while sideloading apps on your iOS devices, whether it's an iPhone or iPad. But what if I say you that you are just one step away from fixing all of those annoying revoke and blacklist problems? You heard it right. So just follow this video till the end, and I give you 100% guarantee that you are not gonna face those problems again. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So first of all, go to the link given in the description or in the pinned comment below. After that, click on get and follow the instruction to add the Flex Store on your home screen. After that, its icon will appear on your home screen. Open that and allow all notifications. There you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from here only, and those are categorized here in different categories, which makes it easier to find any specific app. And if you want to install any IPA file directly, then there is a signer option too. I'll tell you later in this video how you can install apps using this. But before that, you will need to set up Flex Store first. For that, go to the devices option, then click on add device and allow. After that, open your settings app and install the downloaded profile. After this step, you will get success page like this. Now open the Flex Store again, and there you will see your device UDID, certificate and premium accesses options. Now next step here is to get green tick in front of certificate and premium here at the top. For that, you will get three options below here under the certificate section. Right now it's not visible on my iPad because I am already using it for a long duration. So let me show you those options using my phone. So you will get these options as you can see here. First one will be purchasing a developer certificate directly from the Flex Store. Another is using Apple developer account, and third one is using your own certificate. You can go with any one of these options, and if you decide to go with the third option, that is your own certificate, then make sure the certificate you are using is in good signed condition. But instead of this headache, I'll suggest you to go with the first option, that is purchasing an Apple developer account directly from the Flex Store. And if you purchase from the link given in the description, you will get 2 months of premium access for free. And if you're watching this video till now, then I am going to tell you about a super secret trick that can give you a huge discount over the certificate we are purchasing from Flex Store. It's so secret that only those people will be able to access it who will watch my video carefully. So to get that extra discount, you will just have to go to settings option of Flex Store, then click on terms and services and read the article carefully. Maybe the discount link is in between the article or maybe at the end. In my case, it's at the end, so I will just click on that and discount will be applied on the certificate purchase automatically, as you can see here. So after you get a green tick in front of these two options, you are ready to install apps. Now to install an app, go to the app section and select the app that you want to install. Then click on sign and after that click on install and return to your home screen. There you will see the app is installed successfully and working perfectly without any issues. And if you want to install any IPA file directly, for that go to the signer option, select the IPA file of the app, and rest of the process is same. Click on sign install. After that the app will get installed on your device. And this is the only ultimate solution that can fix your revoke issues permanently, and you will never face any blacklist issue ever. And most importantly, it does not require any computer, jailbreak or wires. Just your phone and internet connection is all you need. So that's all for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up, that motivates me to make more videos. And if you are new to channel, then subscribe it. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.